my friends.
Everyday Radiance is a 2-day workshop about creating a sense of radiance, joy, and adventure in everyday life. Is this really possible? Good question. Absolutely yes. But we aren't taught these skills by our parents or at school. In fact, we live in a world where most people are unhappy, stressed, dissatisfied, no matter what their Instagram profile says. To thrive in a world that contains all of our personal stuff, the climate crisis, inequality, poverty and political upheaval, we're going to have to work for it, right? The good news is that doing the work can usher in the adventure of a lifetime. In my observation, we can either stagnate, get depressed, or grow up and thrive. Personally, I vote for waking up. Everyday Radiance is free from dogma and combines music, meditation, and a practical toolkit for thriving in the 21st century. We'll explore life hacks for having a joyful time here on planet Earth and weave these together with songs and vocal liberation exercises, because having a good time on planet Earth seems like a really good idea. We're here for such a short time. We'll be doing some very deep self-inquiry practices, as well as looking at what to do when we get triggered. In other words, what to do when we're sad, anxious, angry, disconnected, emotional, or completely numb. We'll also be using body-based techniques like TRE, somatic descent, and more to get grounded and out of our heads, and also to address the wounding in the body. Unfortunately, there's no bypassing our personal shit. I've tried. Doesn't work. Ultimately, we bring it all together by learning to live from a loving, heart-based awareness. This is called heart-mind or bodhicitta in Buddhism, oculus cordis in mystical Christianity. Ram Dass calls us into the spiritual heart and asks us to chant, "I am loving awareness." Whatever the name is, it's a simple, beautiful, and very practical place to live from. It's both the path and the goal. And really just to note that all voices are welcome. You don't have to feel like you can sing. Either way, thank you for sharing your beautiful eyeballs and your attention with me. Much, much love. P.S. What kind of person should attend Everyday Radiance? Well, I mean, you, obviously, but meditators who are interested in taking their spiritual development to the next level, people who want to spend less time in their heads, people who like singing but can't sing or feel that they'd like to sing better, people who love music and want to see how they can use it to improve everyday life. Also, the workshop really welcomes advanced meditators and advanced practitioners. We're going to be doing some very deep direct path meditations for liberation and less thinking and more thriving. Especially if you've been training in one-pointed meditation, you'll find this pretty intriguing. We'll be opening up glimpses to be completely present. Thank you. Thank you.